Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This time it's a power tool. It's a tool for polishing or burnishing flat steel surfaces. I do quite a lot of plasma cutting, cutouts of animals and birds, and this is the ideal thing for burnishing the steel. It's something I've wanted and I've asked them for a one. They've sent us this and I'm going to do a review on it. Now I want to make one or two things perfectly clear before we get started. Banggood have sent me this completely free of charge. It's mine to keep. I suppose that's the payment you get for me doing this little bit of video. Right, that being said, let's have a look at it. See how it works. And I've actually got some cutouts that need polishing, so we'll have a go at doing them and see what sort of results we'll get. I'll bring the camera a little bit closer, see what actually comes in the box. It's basically a slow speed angle grinder with an extension shaft on it. That's what it is. It comes with two different grade rollers. I've asked for two extra ones, so I've got some spare ones. That's the actual unit out of the box. We've got a handle, a guard, some little bits and pieces, spanner, an instruction book, and one of these, that's an adapter plug that goes from our 3-pin to their 2-pin. I'll be going to cut that off and put a proper plug on it. The other thing I'll do before I give it any use is I'll take that off there and put some decent grease into the head of there. I do this with all my angle grinders, no matter what make they are. Take that off and make sure there's plenty grease in there. Welded steel guard, quite a nice guard. Certainly worth keeping the guard on it. You don't want any of the abrasive particles in your face. There's two slots in there. There must be a bag of bits and pieces. Spare brushes. You often get spare brushes with the imported stuff. These obviously fit into there. And that drives on those two keys. I think I may be able to find a better spanner than that, but it does do the job. Right, there's a handle which goes on here somehow. That's alright. Depends which way you want to use it. I'm left-handed, so I might put the handle across that way. That's better. And that nut will simply lock up. Thinner spanner. That nut would lock up against there and the handle could stop across that side. Right, I've put some power onto it. It's got a variable speed. That should do the job. We'll give it a try and see what happens. This is just 2mm mild steel, straight off a plasma cutter. This is an old magnetic table. It's ideal for doing this on. That's a nice job of that. Very nice. Nice finish, ideal for taking paint or. I often get these things plastic coated. Some of the animals I leave plain and they go rusty and they look quite nice. We'll do an animal next. The handle's not very good, I'm going to have to modify that. It certainly makes a nice uniform job. I've been using an angle grinder with a floppy disc on, but this is obviously a lot better. I'm sure you recognise that as a hamster. Squirrel. I like it. It certainly does exactly what it's supposed to do. It cleans up steel, puts a nice brush finish on. I'll deal for plastic coating or for painting or even just letting it go to rust. It's not too heavy to hold, but I won't need to hang on it all day. The handle's not very good, I'll modify that. I'll put a spacer in there so it stops where I want it to stop. The cutters or the rollers, they seem to last quite well. I've done half a dozen shapes and it's barely marked, so that's a good thing. And these rollers aren't expensive. Don't forget, if you buy one of these through my link, in fact if you buy anything from Banggood through my link, I do get a little bit of commission. Sadly I won't be able to retire on it, but it all helps to make more videos and buy little bits and pieces from my shop. Anyway, thanks for watching.